only thinking there this morning that the weather's gone so cold recently that it's hard for the birds to get food. They can't get worms out of the ground if it's frozen. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a quick bird feeder just using stuff you'll have around the home. We all have toilet roll inserts, scissors, bit of string, bit of honey or peanut butter. The only thing you need to go down and get in the shop is some bird seed. Now if you're in junior infants, you can do this. And if you're in 6th class, you can do this. Anyone can. You might just need a little help from someone at home. And best of luck with it. And please send us some photos on Google Classroom and Class Dojo of all the different birds feeding outside your windows.